Hi friends, I'm Sky. Let's talk about system testing today. System testing is something you will need to know for your ISTQB exam, as well as any job placements that you might have. System testing sits with the testers. It's the third level of testing out of 4, and whilst we have been working with the developers quite closely in integration and unit testing, now majority of it sits with us because it's our job to get in there and try and break it. System testing is all about end-to-end and referring back to the requirements documents and the user stories set at the beginning of the project. Now the developers will be sitting in the background, which means that we go in, we try and test and break as much as we can. And when we do find a default or a defect or a bug, we correct it by creating a bug report. It then passes on to the developer. They work through what could be wrong and they send it back to us. And this goes back and forth throughout the system testing. Now, system testing involves both black and white box testing techniques, and you can expect to find typical defects such as data not flowing incorrectly, the requirements not matching what's actually happening on the screen, as well as what's not happening in the background. We could expect that data should be flowing through to different other programs, or it should be flowing through to different pages on the screen, and perhaps that's not happening. You could also expect to find that the logic and the calculations set in the code may be incorrect. So you might have to do some maths to make sure that the perhaps the tax or perhaps some of the other calculations set out are calculating as correctly. We don't want any users getting extra or limited interest perhaps in a financial setting. Ultimately, system testing is end-to-end black and white testing techniques, and remember to refer back to your requirement documentation set at the start. System testing, great for your ISTQB and for any job placements. Thanks. Have a great day.